Hi guys, I am Eva. I am cook. I am making bread with my sister and my mom. Hi. Fun with VARENA Eva. So today we're making bread. So we need flour, yes, sugar, milk, eggs, and butter. So I mix this to a mixer, isn't it? Ready, guys? So we have to put flour first. Yes. I don't go. Can you put a lot?
Oh.
Okay. Next is sugar. Next is sugar. Let's put it on. Let's see it. Working. That's working.
Mix.
We start to mix. Now we start, guys. Okay, going to. Thank you, Mama. Sorry. Whoa! Ta-da! Oh! Wow! Mommy, if the dough is done, so we close the dough with napkins. Okay, close it. Okay, so we wait for 30 minutes. Now we have to put the dough here. Okay. So we have to fill. Okay. So we have to cut it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We do it. Okay. So we have to make it woolly and then tap it. Now we use the roller pin. some chocolate. Look, the dough is ready for full of chocolate. Before we put the oven, we have to wait and close it with that napkins with 50 minutes. Now we have to get the napkins. Okay. Now we have to put it right here. Now we have to wait for 50 minutes. So the dough is done. So 50 minutes is left. So we have to smell the bread. Bread is done to wait. Now spread. Wow. It's gonna be yummy, guys. When the pudding happens. So guys, the bread is on the oven, so we wait 20 minutes. Let's wait. The bread smells good, guys. And then I see there's bubbles down in bread. I use my oven gloves. I'm gonna get my hand hot. Woo! It's getting hot. 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 Hot, 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 hot. So heavy. And now we have to close it. Ooh, hot. I can touch it, guys. Guys, it looks so beautiful and smell good and tasty. Ooh, look. It's hot. Hot. Just kidding. I was using my gloves. Put on the plate. Wow. It's done, guys, but it's so hot. I use this. Ooh, I got magic! Put it on the plate. Wait, excuse me. I can't put it. No space for it. You're kidding, Mama. Okay, now the breads are done. Fun with VARENA EVA.